Hello there, weary traveler. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been making food videos and uploading them here for the past couple months, so I thought I'd introduce myself. My name is Van Fan, and I'm a food fanatic. Hey, get it? It's the name of the channel. But anyways, I've created this channel as a passion project. For anyone interested in visiting Barcelona, I've curated a list of restaurant recommendations for friends and families and internet strangers. I also wanted to make a log of recipes, cooking tips, and meal prep ideas for myself and others, since I wanted to try to incorporate more fiber and nutrients in my diet and heal my relationship with food and binge eating. Third reason is I wanted to document my attempts at getting onto MasterChef Spain. In 2002, I applied and didn't even hear back. Last year in 2023, I got a call back for the first round, but didn't make it past the second round. This year is my third attempt. I'm making it my mission to apply every year until I get on. I'll be uploading the videos I apply with each year to keep as reference to see how far I've gone, and they're going to be in Spanish since this is MasterChef Spain, but I'll have subtitles in English, Vietnamese, and French, the three other languages I speak. In the meantime, feel free to check out my food videos and comment and subscribe for the algorithm gods!